mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you how to install this V part slash I part slash invisible part wig from Curlyme hair. They went ahead and sent me this wig in 26 inches and 180 density, and it's definitely in the straight texture. The 26 inches is really long. I am 5'2" for reference, so let me go ahead and just stand just a little so you guys can see. So it goes all the way down past my waist. Like, this hair is mad long. I'm loving it, and I'm loving how full it is. It's not super thick to the point where if it gets humid outside, like, I'll be mad that my hair is humid. Like, it's so easy to work with. This hair was a breeze to install. It's always a pleasure working with Curlyme hair because their hair is just really good quality. This hair is really nice and soft, really full ends. Like, it's not giving straggly, it's giving full vibes, okay, period. And the fact that I didn't have to straighten this whole wig is everything, because I be over it, okay? I just be wanting to put something on and go, and this is perfect for me. So thank you so much, Curlyme hair. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's jump into the tutorial so I can show you guys how I put it on. I do a little bit of talking in the beginning just to let you guys know what and why I do anchor braids and how it helps me. So again, let me stop rambling. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And I'm gonna stop rambling now. Let's jump into the video so I can show you guys how to get this done. Hi mamas, so today we are gonna be using this wig from Curlyme hair. I'm gonna just show you guys like what my braid pattern is like, or explain to you real quick. So I only do 2 braids for this. If you have natural hair, you can sleek it down. If you have permed hair, which I do have, you can also sleek it down. So that's what I did. I just do like a ponytail here, and I have 2 anchor braids. They're not the cutest braids, but they are braids, okay? They're something to keep the tension off my roots. This is perfect for it. Like, I find that this is the best method to stay away from headaches, because every single time I used to put on a U-part wig without doing anchor braids, I got a headache. My leave out is really small, so that's even better. Less heat damage, and I'm just so here for this. So let's just go ahead and open this box, get this wig out, and put it on.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy.
So this is the wig already in a straight state. It is their I part or V part wig. It has the clips on the inside. It also has the bands and comb on the inside. The elastic band is to ensure that your wig is fitting nice and snug. So what I am going to do is go ahead and close that elastic band in, just so we can make sure our wig is nice and snug and fitted to our head.
The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when
I am gonna go in with my hot comb to flatten the top, because I do realize like the hair is not fully flat. So let's just do that, and then I'll go ahead, blend my leave out, straighten the wig, and that's it. It's so easy to install your V part wigs or I part wigs, super easy. And like, this is just perfect for the lazy girl or the girl who's ready to go on the go and you like doing leave outs. This is perfect. I like doing leave outs. I didn't know I would have liked doing leave outs, but I actually do. So let's continue.
Comes to me, skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. I want sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Finally finished, and this is the end result. This is what the wig would look like on my head, at least. So Curlyme hair went ahead and sent me a 26-inch 180 density straight V/I part wig. This wig is so nice. The hair on the wig is so soft. I am so in love. Like, this is literally very good quality hair. Like, it's giving 3 bundles of 26 inches and I'm loving it. And I'm pretty sure that this unit is mad affordable. Like, I don't even have to ask. I love the fact that these units have came back in style, and I'm happy to showcase and show you guys what they would look like on my head, at least, just so you guys can have an idea of how easy it is to install these wigs. Usually I would have tension when putting the clips onto my hair, so I decided to do anchor braids, and then it just helped so much. So if you are looking to get a unit like this, just keep in mind that you do have to do just like 2 little braids if you don't want to braid a lot like I am, or like I do. I don't like to braid, so this was just enough, and this is perfect because it helps so much with me not getting headaches from wearing wigs like this. And 10 out of 10, okay? 10 out of 10. And like I was saying, it gives off 3 bundles, so you know, like, the more bundles you have in a wig or anything, the fuller it is, obviously. But because it's 3 bundles, it's more on the full side and not thick, and I'm liking that because I live where it's really hot and it gets really humid outside sometimes. So this is perfect for this kind of weather. I am loving it. The hair feels so good, and I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna just cut it off right here. So if you have any other questions, please just let me know. Please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Like, girl, I'm here for you. What you want to know, let me know and I'll answer it. And thank you so much to Curlyme Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this absolutely stunning wig. I am so in love with it. The hair, the length, how the hair feels, so in love. So thanks again, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, babes. No more damages now. Tell me what you